In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Calendly email, a vital task for anyone who uses this powerful scheduling app and needs to update their contact information. Whether you're switching jobs, managing multiple email addresses, or simply updating your primary contact, this guide will provide you with all the steps you need. So let's dive right in. To kick things off, you'll need to log into your Calendly account. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL, calendly.com. Once you're on the home page, input your login credentials to access your account dashboard. If you're already logged in, you can bypass this step and go straight to the next part. For those who might have forgotten their password, make sure to use the Forgot Password feature to reset it and gain access. This step is essential as you can't update your email without proper authentication. Once you're logged in, locate your profile icon. You'll find this in the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on this icon will trigger a drop-down menu. Here, you want to look for and click on Login Preferences. This will open a new panel on the side of your screen. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this area, as it's where you can manage various aspects of your Calendly account, including login preferences, security settings, and of course, your primary email. Now that you're in the Login Preferences panel, your next move is to find the option labeled Change Email. Select this option to proceed. This is an important step because it initiates the email updating process. If you don't see this option immediately, scroll through the menu carefully to ensure you haven't missed it. In case you encounter any issues, refreshing your browser or clearing cache might resolve minor glitches. Next, you're going to see a list of emails associated with your account. Scroll through to locate the specific email address you'd like to change. This can be particularly useful if you have multiple accounts linked or if you're trying to figure out which email is currently active. Click on the email you want to change. It's at this stage that you'll be prompted to enter the new email address you wish to associate with your Calendly account. Once you've entered the new email, follow any additional prompts or instructions to finalize the change. Calendly might send a confirmation email to ensure that the new email address is valid and accessible, so be sure to monitor your inbox and confirm the change when required. This verification step is crucial to ensure that all future communications from Calendly reach the right email. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your Calendly email, ensuring that all notifications, reminders, and invitations will go to your updated contact address. Remember, keeping your contact information up to date is essential for maintaining seamless communication. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos for more tips and tricks.